Welcome to Formula 18's Education. I'm JuanCarlos, and today we're bringing you a lot of education on things that you'll be facing behind the chair. Today we're going to talk about scalp conditions, hair health, how to start a healthy hair journey. We're going to do some great coverage, so let's get started. Let's look at our client's hair and see the situation that we have today. In this zone, we have box dyed that's sitting over bleached hair. Then here around her face frame area, you have places where you have about 75 to 90% gray. The first step is going to be purifying the hair. I'm going to use Formula 18's purifying shampoo to cleanse the hair, chelate it, and remove any buildup that could impede the color molecules from going and doing what they need to do. So we've already cleansed the hair with the purifying shampoo, and now we're going to begin the treatment process of her hair using treatment spray. What treatment spray is going to do is start that treatment, but at the same time, it's going to help the color get absorbed better. In the areas around the hairline where Genesis has about 75% gray coverage, I am going to pre-soften the cuticle. I'm going to use Formula 18's 8-3 permanent color. The alkalinity of this permanent color is going to pre-soften the cuticle so that the color can penetrate better. We are going to apply the color on damp hair. It's going to absorb that color way better. Notice how I did not add peroxide to the permanent color because peroxide is not alkaline. The permanent color is. What pre-softens the hair is the alkalinity. After pre-softening the cuticle, I then applied 4-0 mixed 1-to-1 with 20 volume all over the head. But the key to that process is making sure that you add Formula 18's plant-based reinforcement additive into your formula. By adding the additive into your formula, not only are you reconstructing the hair as you dye the hair, but you're also ensuring the longevity of the color, the vibrancy, and healthier hair. Now what I want to do though is go back and check those areas where my client had that stubborn grays to make sure that the coverage is where I want it to be. In my preference, it's not where I want it to be right now, so what I'm going to do is go back with my color, get 4-0. This time, I'm going to mix it 1-to-1 with demi, and what I'm doing is wiping the color that has already processed with a wet towel, and then I'm gonna go in and apply my 4-0 mixed 1-to-1 with demi to those sections. I don't need to rinse anything off. I can just do it right over that. I'm just gonna let it process an extra 10-15 minutes. The recommended time is up to 20 minutes. You decide how long that color has to be there for you to get the coverage that you need and want. Now here's our final look. Now that we've achieved this look, you have to make sure that she feels this way every time she looks at her hair. Every time she uses these products, it's repairing her hair from the inside out. All of these products, except for the hairspray, has Formula 18's plant-based reinforcement additive. These are the products that I recommended for her. The bodifying shampoo and conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the repair oil are a must. By using these two products, her hair is not only going to be treated, but it will always look shiny and bouncy. And because she is on her journey to healthy hair, she must use the Formula 18 mask once every 2 to 3 washes or once every 2 weeks. That's what I would recommend for her to use. I think that next time I see her, her hair is going to look amazing.